Merry Christmas and happy holidays, guys. This is the 2024 version of Awesome Christmas Lights. So for this video, we're going to be going around Southern California checking out some amazing Christmas displays. So for this video, we're going to be looking at extreme displays, even one that was featured on this year's Great Christmas Light Fight on ABC. So let's go check it out. This house is one of my favorite houses I've ever seen. They do a great job with the space. I mean, they cut up those ornaments and put them on the grass over there. I mean, all of this stuff must cost a fortune. Absolutely great job.
It's here too. Take a picture with your sister, Riley. We're the only ones here, so you got.
I just realized that everything is trimmed with all these ornaments. I mean, that's got to take forever.
Oh, pizza for dinner.
Look at all these little details. That's amazing. Look at the ornaments. I mean, that's got to take forever. It's all over. The nativity back here, just absolutely covered with detail. Absolutely amazing. This house is definitely worthy enough to be on the Great Christmas Light Fight for sure. So this house behind me was recently featured in season 12 episode 4 of the Great Christmas Light Fight, and this is the Cracklows. So this house has amazing technical aspects. They actually pump fog up. They have like professional strobe lights. So they have it dancing to different music and stuff like that. But then they also have all the lights on for certain times.
Tessa.
And Donald wasn't moving after.
I'm not ready for it.
Don't touch. Don't touch.
Yeah. Just crackling.
Here, Riley, turn around. Stand here, turn around. Angelina, get in.
Experience.
Oh no, don't fucking Jenny. Stop that.
on, bud.
So behind me is the Igloo Wonderland house. Once again, this is a private residence in
So steep.
Little tree farm over here. How cute. That's so cool.
so cool. So we came to this house last year, and it was awesome last year. But this year it's like an event. They got the Grinch here. They have all these like little rooms set up and exhibits set up too, and they added a lot more decorations. So
Yeah. Let's do it.
Hey, you want to sit on the Grinch's lap with me?
I mean, the house itself is like a really cool piece of architecture. It's like a show in itself. Karaoke?
How pretty that is. That's pretty. You're just like overstimulation. Did I still have filming?
You want me to pop a balloon?
Behind me is a staple in Southern California, the Winter Wonderland and Sevilla Ave in Murrieta, California. It's absolutely beautiful. They do a really good job. These little foam balls that are snowing actually smell like peppermint, so you can flavor them. They got some cool DIY over here too. Competing. This alphabetic is so cool.
Cups? Okay, she sees the mini cups.
We got the Polar Express plane in there. It's so cool. And this one is also right across the street. They have so many awesome DIY exhibits.
Tessa. Can't you smile?
I mean, they literally got an airplane ride and a swing. That's awesome. Christmas Eve will find me. Yeah, both these houses are absolutely insanely creative, amazing special effects and DIY stuff, awesome lights. So next we're gonna check out a neighborhood that's all synced with different lights. Basically all the neighborhood lights are synced to a certain channel, and like the entire neighborhood is all flashing and stuff like that. It definitely takes a commitment to get your house all synced and done up for sure. So this street's also, this is like a whole neighborhood, not just one street.